We welcome you all on behalf of Dwitcher Technology. Today we are going into the Windshuttle world and dive into the topic Windshuttle Composer. Come, let's understand it from another side of view. Tired with manual process? Think of it as your secret weapon for automating all those repetitive business tasks. Composer is a no-code or a low-code tool, meaning you don't have to be a programmer to build powerful workflows and forms. Cool, right? Now, I know we've all been there stuck doing the same tasks over and over again, right? Filling out forms, waiting for approvals, or worse, manually entering data into systems like SAP. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I told you there's an easier, faster way to handle all of that? When you publish a solution, you simply select which deployment profile you want to use. This enables you to easily publish the same solution to different environments and helps you create and migrate a solution through various environments as it goes through stages of development, for example, development, testing, production, etc. We can also use multiple environments to develop solutions. To establish a solution development framework that optimizes productivity and reduces the risk of bugs reaching end users, Windshuttle recommends utilizing multiple environments. Since form and workflow solutions typically involve custom web forms and workflows, you'll need several non-production environments for both Microsoft SharePoint and Windshuttle Foundation, which includes User Governance, Windshuttle SAP Integration Server, and a Windshuttle Workflow. These non-production environments can share the same SharePoint infrastructure. For instance, both the dev and QA environments can be hosted on a single SharePoint farm in different site collections. Similarly, a single Windshuttle server deployment can support multiple non-production configurations. And that is all for it, you. I hope this gives you a good idea of how Windshuttle Composer can revolutionize your processes. If you're ready to dive deeper into specific features or workflows, stay tuned for more videos with Dwitcher Technology for informative content. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, you can connect us directly by contacting us at dwitcher.com. Our Windshuttle supports and developments are starting from $25 only.